A series of life-threatening winter weather is forecast in the Midwest while the East Coast faces threats of flooding through the weekend, the National Weather Service said Friday, with possible record-breaking low temperatures projected across the U.S. About 240 daily low temperatures could be broken or tied across the U.S. through Tuesday, according to CNN. Several wind chill advisories have been issued for portions of the U.S., including South Dakota and Montana, where temperatures could feel as low as -50 degrees and -70 degrees, respectively, according to the National Weather Service. The lowest temperature ever recorded in Montana is -70 degrees, which was set in 1954.1, 691. That's how many flights have been canceled across the U.S. on Friday, according to FlightAware.com. Just over 1,400 other flights have been delayed. New York City, Philadelphia and Boston are under coastal flood watches through Saturday afternoon. Maine Governor Janet Mills issued a state of emergency Thursday, amid concerns rain in the state could result in water levels reaching as high as 17 feet by Saturday. Major eastern U.S. storm causes significant damage, Forbes.